Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Guys, how are you all doing, guys? What's up, you guys? Guys, today we are making egg roll. Yes, we're making egg roll. So, in this bowl, I have some flour. I'm going to be adding baking powder to it. As you guys can see, I'm going to add half tablespoon of baking powder to this flour, you guys. So after adding baking powder, I'm also going to add nutmeg to it, you guys. So nutmeg give your egg roll, your puff puff, your buns a very sweet aroma, you guys. So here I've add half tablespoon of nutmeg into the flour. So I'm going to use this spoon to mix it together, you guys, to mix it together. After mixing it for some time, I'm going to bring in sugar. So I'm going to add sugar to the flour also, you guys. So depending on the quantity of your flour, that is how you will measure your sugar. Okay, here I'm using almost 5 tablespoons of sugar. I just add almost 5 tablespoons to my flour, you guys. So after doing that, I'm going to mix it together with the spoon also. So I also add little salt to taste. Okay, so the last one that I just add is salt. So you guys, after adding salt, I'm going to mix it together also with the spoon for the sugar to combine. Okay, so after that, I'll bring in my margarine, you guys. I'm going to add margarine to it. You can also use butter if you have butter at home. Whichever one that you have at home is good, you guys. So here I'm adding um my margarine. Okay, I'm going to add four tablespoon of margarine. Okay, just as I said before, depends on the quantity of your flour. That is how you will measure your ingredients, you guys. So yeah, adding that. So you guys, I'm going to be mixing this with my bare hands. Okay, but before I mix it with my bare hands, yeah, I will also add 2 eggs to it. Before I mix it with my hands, I'm going to add 2 eggs to it also, you guys. So like so, yeah. So I'm going to wash my hand with water. Make sure that my hands is very clean before I touch it, you guys. So while I'm doing that, I also want to let you guys know that if you decide to use hand glove for the mixing of the flour, it is good. You can also use hand glove if you decide. But here I'm going to use my bare hands, but I make sure that my hands is very clean before I touch the flour, you guys. Yeah, I'm going to mix all those dry ingredients together. So here I'm going to also add a cup of milk into the flour. You guys, you can also use water. Okay, milk is optional. All right, you can also mix it with water. Yeah. So this milk is optional, you guys. Yeah. Yes, I'm done mixing the dough. As you can see, you guys. Here I'm going to add the eggs that I'm going to use into the pot. So first I use this big pot. I was thinking that maybe the big pot would be good for the cooking of the egg, but later I found out that the pot was too big for the eggs that I'm going to use. So I now pass it into a smaller pot. So after doing that, I fill the pot up with water. I make sure that the water is covering the eggs, you guys. Yeah, so I'll put the egg to the stove. While the eggs are cooking in the stove, I'm going to cover this dough up with aluminum foil so that all the ingredients will get into the dough very well. Yeah, you guys, yeah, the eggs are. It is done. The eggs is done, you guys. So I will now peel off the skin, but I make sure that I add cold water to the egg so that it will cool down for me to be able to touch them. Okay, so yeah, you guys, I'm going to peel off the skin. I'm going to peel it off, you guys. So as you all can see, this is what I'm doing here. Yeah, I'm done peeling them, you guys. I'm done peeling all the eggs. So now it's time for me to fry the dough. So I'll add oil to my smaller pots. Guys, you know I don't like too much oil on my cooking, okay? I don't like too much oil on my cooking. But yeah, I'm going to be using this deep pot. It's a small pot, okay, you guys. So yeah, after that, I'm going to add some flour into this plate before I will start wrapping the egg up with the dough. The essence of this flour is for the dough not to stick to my hands, you guys. It's for the dough not to stick to my hands. Just as I said before, you can also use hand glove, okay? Alright, you can decide to use hand glove, but here I'm using my bare hands, you guys. Why not if not? Oh my goodness. So I'm using my bare hands. So you can also decide to use hand glove, okay? After I'm the one that is going to eat the egg roll, right? So yeah, that is what I'm doing here. Yeah. So this is how I wrap my egg roll, you guys. I make sure that I wrap it very well. So make sure that you wrap it very well, very well. If not, when you are frying it, the dough will pop, you guys. So your egg will be out. So that is why it is very good for you to wrap it very well. And when you want to wrap it, make sure that you are adding flour to your palm, so that the dough will not stick to your palm, you guys. So that the dough will not stick to your hands. So that is what I just did here. Here's the oil that I'm going to use, you guys. Yeah, the oil is hot, so I'm going to add the dough. There's one thing that you guys need to know. When you're adding your dough into the oil, even if the oil is small, because of the weight of the dough, you will see that the oil will just come up. That is why sometimes you see the oil will be um yeah, it will, because of the weight of the dough, your oil will fill up the pot. If you don't be careful, the thing will be pouring out. As you guys can see, you can see that the oil have increased, right? It is because of the weight of um of your dough, you guys. Yeah, yeah, the it's looking so yummy and delicious. You guys, before when you are frying your egg roll, before you bring it out of the oil, make sure that the color of your egg roll has turned golden brown. Okay, it is golden brown like this, then that is how you will know that your egg roll is ready to go out of the oil. And guys, make sure that you are frying it on low heat, because if the oil is too hot, your dough will not turn inside. Okay, inside will not. I don't know how to explain this to you guys, but when you are frying your egg roll, make sure that you are frying it on low heat, so that the two will not be golden brown outside and raw inside. Okay, so as you can see, I'm frying it on very low heat, so that it will be done inside also. Yeah, you guys. Thank you all for always being here, for following my page, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. You guys know that I don't take your love for granted. You guys are just the best. Thank you for always being here, for watching my video, for commenting, for liking. Thank you all so much, you guys. God bless you. See you on my next video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Lady Daniela's Kitchen, okay? Just look for Daniela's Kitchen on YouTube and subscribe. Thank you so much, you guys. God bless you as always. See you all on my next video. So you guys, as you can see, the egg roll is frying on low heat. Okay, I'm just frying it on low heat, so that it will not be raw inside. Okay, if not, you know, it will be raw inside. It will not done. Okay, so when you are frying it, please fry it on low heat. Okay, you guys. So thank you all for watching. God bless you. I love you all.